Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a saved friendship story or how to create a video on the My Little Pony Story Creator application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the home screen, and click to the option, the friendship story, and
tap a pony or
first of all select your character, for example Tyrick. Select a place, for example campsite.
Lights, camera, ponies.
And you can move your character in different position. You can move your character in different.
Choose your favorite co-star.
For example, I want to choose Scabrous.
Lights, camera, ponies. Choose your favorite prop.
Just select an item, for example the medallion.
Lights, camera, ponies.
Click to the arrow. And you can check your stories and you can save. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.